Hi guys, this is Natalie from Wiplabs.com, your favorite shop for crowdfunded tech accessories. So today we have another unboxing for one of my favorite products, the OrbitKey. Actually, it's OrbitKey 2.0. So the OrbitKey is a little device that helps to organize and stack your keys. It comes in 3 different colors: navy and cognac, navy and tan, cognac and tan, and black and tan. I have here with me the cognac and tan, so I'm just gonna open it and show you guys how to use it. First, you slide this little sleeve off, and up pops this, which has some directions and an extra little washer. So then you just pull this section out, and you have to unscrew the back or the front, I guess either side, to release it from the cardboard. Whoops. So that like this. Out. So you have these pieces, and in order to demonstrate, you need also a quarter or a coin, and of course the keys that you're going to put on it. It can hold from 2 to 7 keys, normal size keys, and actually on this side you can also put a set of car keys or bigger keys that you want to, and you can attach this if you'd like. So you just slip the keys on that you need, and then you put this side back in, making sure that you keep the washer in place. And you just screw it back on. Almost all of it can be done without any tools. Just need a little coin in the beginning or the end to tighten it up. So I'm gonna leave that there like that and grab my own set of keys, actually, because I use this, and show you why it's important to have the washer on here. This is what it looks like when you're using it. So you can see that it's just a really great little stack that you have when you're wearing really tight jeans, or you just want to have like a mini bag, or you just don't have that much room in your pocket for keys, or you don't want to bundle and you don't want like a lot of noise. You have this neat little tight stack that doesn't move, and you can just slip it in your pocket. It's really cool. Now the washer is there so that if you for some reason want you to be able to pull out your keys easier, then you might tighten or loosen this end with the quarter based on how loose or tight you want the keys. Otherwise, you can set it up so that they don't move at all when you're using them. So that's it. This is the OrbitKey. Really nice materials, leather, awesome product. And I hope you go check it out on our website, wiplabs.com. See you later.